Wait. Stop right there. Whoa. Okay, why? You just almost stepped on a crack. Do you know what that means?
No, what are you talking about?
If you step on a crack, you break your mother's back. Everyone knows that. I don't believe in that stuff. That stuff is just fake. It's for pretend. I'm telling you, don't step on that crack. I'm telling you, it's kid stuff. Whatever. Mom? Yes, honey? Mom! She was listening to me when I said if he steps on a crack, he breaks his mother's back. Now I am going to call the ambulance. Okay, they're on their way. Okay, thank you. Okay.
The following video is not based on a true story, it's just a funny skit. So if you accidentally step on a crack, it will not break your mother's back. Thank you.